Bitcoin has been continuing to crash towards the downside, but this is going to be a massive warning because Bitcoin, in my opinion, is about to start that final consolidation before that next huge move. Are we going to be crashing towards the downside even further, breaking this double top towards the downside and reaching our next support target all the way down towards that 52.7k? Well, we need to be talking about that exactly. Can we be seeing this further bounce after this consolidation? Or are we going to be breaking towards the downside? So can we once again push up the likes? Back above the 100 likes, that will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, Bitcoin is right now currently reaching massive levels of daily support. Of course, like you can be seeing, got supported right here, got supported right here, got supported right here, did a little bit of a liquidity grab right over here, but still got supported right over here, and right now we are currently getting supported. Now, yesterday I've been talking about how most likely we are going to be seeing a little bit of a bounce, and I think my target is going to be coming in at the 63.4k level. I think that from of this level we can be expecting a little bit of a rejection, and then after that rejection I do think that we are going to be seeing some kind of a consolidation. Maybe some kind of a consolidation pattern being created, and that one is going to be deciding that next Bitcoin move. Right now, in my opinion, it is way too early to tell if we are indeed going to be seeing this breakdown or if we are going to be seeing this further bounce. Right now, we are actually seeing a lot of buy signals flashing on top of massive support, so I would still say that it is going to be more likely to see this Bitcoin bounce. But yeah, at the other side, we can still easily see this rejection, this consolidation pattern, and then a break towards the downside, going even lower, breaking this double top towards the downside, and in that case, definitely, we are going to be seeing lower targets actually getting reached. Do definitely still keep in mind that Bitcoin is still trading inside of this strong downtrend, and usually, well, the trend is your friend. Right now, the trend for that short term for Bitcoin is definitely towards the downside, so just keep that in mind. Anyways, guys, if we are going to be headed lower, well, my target is going to be the 52.7k level, and I am just seeing this as a gift. If we are going to be headed this low, well, I'm just going to be buying even more Bitcoin. I'm just going to be opening a new massive Bitcoin trade, and it is just giving me that opportunity to accumulate more cheap Bitcoin, more cheap altcoins, to enter a new Bitcoin trade, which is going to be legendary. And all of this, it is just going to be a massive opportunity if we are going to be reaching this level again. But honestly, I do not think it is going to be likely that we are going to be headed this low anymore, because having a look into what's the Bitcoin metrics, yes, these Bitcoin funding rates are right now trading extremely low. And yes, whenever the Bitcoin funding rates are actually negative, it is very bullish for the market. On top of that, also still that the majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is still sitting at the top side. Now, I know it, I keep repeating myself every single day, and still we are headed more and more towards the downside. But still, do keep in mind that the majority of the liquidity is sitting at the top side, and usually we do tend to go towards a place where that majority of the liquidity is sitting at. So yeah, do keep that in mind. And on top of that, Bitcoin is also getting supported by this ascending level of support. Now, if we are going to be seeing this bounce from of this level, we are going to be seeing a massive ascending triangle actually getting created, and that is also going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. Now, we can actually be seeing some more strength coming in right now for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin on that daily time frame is creating this hidden bullish divergence, so definitely strength is coming in right now. But the most important signal which we are seeing right now is going to be this chart, because the Bitcoin RSI is right now trading below 30 on the daily time frame, and the past 2 times whenever this has happened, well, this has indicated the exact Bitcoin bottom, and right after that happened, well, we saw huge moves towards the upside getting initiated. Right now, the same exact signal is flashing, so this is definitely indicating a buy signal for me. It is looking like we are coming pretty close towards that bottom. Bitcoin bears are right now getting exhausted and we are sitting on top of major support. So I do think that we are coming pretty close towards our bottom right now. So I just want to be seeing this range actually being developing, and I want to be seeing this, maybe this consolidation pattern actually being created and a break towards the upside. That is going to be extremely bullish in my opinion. And then I think that Bitcoin bottom is going to be getting confirmed. So yeah, honestly, I do think that in my opinion, that bottom is right now being created for Bitcoin. But honestly, if we are going to be seeing this break towards the downside, I would definitely embrace that Bitcoin dip with both hands. I do think that it is going to be a great and legendary opportunity Bitcoin would give us. Anyways, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself, definitely make sure to be checking out that link down below. Because with that link down below, you can right now be claiming this free $50 on your initial sign up. And on top of that, whenever you deposit $100, you are going to be getting another $50 completely for free. And whenever you use my code down below, you're also going to be getting another 20% bonus on whatever you deposit. And also you can be covering up to 50% of your trading fees. But also with that link down below, Margex is right now giving away $5 million worth of this token in an airdrop. And with that link down below, you are going to be eligible for a $5,000 airdrop on this token. So definitely make sure to be checking it out. Claim this airdrop. All you need to do is sign up, actively trade on the platform, and wait until the end of the airdrop, and then claim your tokens. So definitely make sure to be checking it out with that link down below. Margex is also a no KYC exchange, so definitely make sure to be checking it out. Anyways, this is the current state of the market. Each and every single time, whenever Bitcoin is getting towards these highs again, everyone gets excited and everyone thinks that we are going to be breaking out towards new all-time highs once again. But whenever we are reaching these lows, everyone is flipping bearish again and everyone thinks it is going to be over. We are indeed going to be coming towards that next Bitcoin target. And actually, this is the market sentiment currently, right? But you should actually be doing the opposite. You should actually be buying right now over at these lows when everyone is fearful right now and actually be selling at these tops, right? Bitcoin is right now actually still range trading. We are not breaking these lows. Everyone does think that we are going to be at it even lower. So in my opinion, I do think I'm going to be leaning more towards a bullish side, still at these levels of support. Anyways, maybe in that larger time frame, Bitcoin is just creating a huge bull flag pattern. This would be extremely exciting in my opinion if we are going to be further developing this bull flag pattern. Anyways, altcoins are looking quite good. Altcoins are bouncing quite hard right now, while Bitcoin is still, kind of lagging behind, right? And the Bitcoin dominance is decreasing ever so slightly towards the downside. Now, anyways, what we want to be seeing is this Bitcoin dominance rising wedge breaking towards the downside, and then really the altcoin season is going to be getting confirmed. Right now, this is still nothing compared to what we are about to see. If this Bitcoin dominance is really going to be breaking down, then the real altcoin season is going to be coming in. Anyways, some people are talking about the cycle top being in right now, but in my opinion, this is not really true. Having a look into what's all of the on-chain indicators, and also this most important indicator in my opinion, the bi-cycle top, well, it is not even close towards flashing a top right now. Whenever these two moving averages are getting very close, well, that is indicating that we are coming very close towards that cycle top. But right now, well, these moving averages are still actually pretty far away from each other, so it is definitely not indicating that cycle top just yet. So yeah, in my opinion, no reason to really start to get worried over here. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.